Welcome. This is Amy, and these daily messages come through the counsel of highest light and deepest love. Each one is an offering to help you pause, reconnect, and remember the truth of who you are. Let's begin. Beloved, within you is a haven untouched by storm. No matter the noise of the world, there is a soft clearing inside where your breath meets our breath, and your heart remembers its rhythm. This haven is not built by effort. It appears when you pause, when you let the weight of striving set itself down. Even for a moment, even for a single breath, you are home. Return here as often as you like. You need not earn it. The haven is yours because you are ours. And so we ask you to reflect. What helps you remember the quiet haven within when the world feels loud? To bring this into your day, pause once, place both hands lightly over your heart, and whisper the word home as you breathe in and out. And now we bless you, beloved. May the quiet haven within you open easily, restoring your strength and surrounding you with peace. If this message has resonated with you, I invite you to subscribe and return tomorrow. Until then, may you walk gently and in the remembrance of love.